Hi everyone, this is Cindy Create the Heart, and I'm back with class 2 on day 1 of the Concord and Ninth summer camp. So I think we're going to be, not to say that the Concord and Ninth doesn't do shakers, but I definitely think we'll be seeing more shakers. So let's see, class 2 is with Ricky Burton Romero, and we made 2 shaker cards using what really is a very simple die, but I really like it. So it came with this large Celebrate, and I'll show you kind of how I used that in 2 extra cards that I made. And then it came with the balloon die, and it came with like an outer and an inner so that you could then make a shaker. It has this yay, and then it has these things that I thought were hands, and I thought, how weird, but I guess they're streamers or something. They're something else. They're not hands. So, and then you get your tail for your balloon, and then you get this die, which is used as, you can use as a confetti die. So in the little booklet, we made this card, and then we made this card. So let me show you how we did it. So here's this one right here. He really did a really sort of simple way of doing a shaker, which I'm going to have to demonstrate in the next time I do a shaker, because I thought it was really sort of genius. I can't show it to you right now because my card's all put together. But I use that confetti die, and I separated all of them. So like this one has the yellow confetti, this one has green confetti, this one has sort of the blue, and then there is some silver sequins in here as well, and it's a slimline card, or number 10 card. And so I like it. It's simple, but I think it's very cute. Okay, the other card that we made was this one right here. And this one, I think, has a little bit of a wow factor. I think it's really cute. So I just love it. It's simple. So you can see those little hands there. They're actually like little streamers or ribbon or something. I don't know. But yeah, so there's the second card. And then for a bonus card, I think I saw something like this one on the at the bonus, as a bonus card that you can make, and I really like the simplicity of that. We already had this rainbow paper. I had it left, so I used it, and I made this card, which was very simple. I just took, this is a mini slimline, and I took just black cardstock, and I cut that Celebrate die out, and then I backed it with leftover rainbow paper that we got in our kit, and then I just put some gems on it, and it's just simple. But I didn't want to waste the word Celebrate, because Celebrate cuts out, the word cuts out. So I then took those pieces, and I made another slimline card this way, which I think is a little bit, I think maybe more my style, but I had a strip of this gingham paper, and I went ahead and used that Celebrate words that cut out here. And then I just did the balloons, and I did a little bit of sort of doodling with my black gel pen and my white gel pen. And I used a lot of the pieces that I sort of had on my desk from making the other cards. And so I really like how that one came out. So these are the cards that I made, and so while they were talking, I made these other cards. So thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy, Create the Heart.